I'll be giving you some tips on cover letter. So some of the tips I would highlight. One, definitely have a good intro where you explain a little bit of your background. It can't be too long, otherwise it's going to take up too much space from the body paragraph, and the body paragraph is like the important part for the recruiter because you're linking past experiences to the new one. And so basically the second tip would be look back to all your experiences and then link specific projects and things that you did work related that matches to the skills and requirements that the recruiting is asking for the job that you're applying, obviously. And then third, always send a following up email, like thanking them for the time and consideration on reading your resume and cover letter. And then fourth tip, never copy and paste the same cover letter and just change the name of the recruiter and the experiences and the skills, because recruiters know that a lot of students are being lazy and that a lot of students are mass applying as well. So the people who take time to write a good cover letter, take time to fix up details, those will stand up.